Negative space is the area around the object you're drawing. For this exercise, I chose a flower. Instead of only focusing on the flower itself, we're going to pay attention to the shapes and the spaces around it. You can fill in those negative spaces with colors or patterns just to make the subject really pop. I started out by sketching it as I normally would, and then I took a bolder pen, in this case a micron pen, to go over just the silhouette or the outline of the flower. Then I took a marker and very carefully colored in negative space. I added patterns too, just to make that area a bit more interesting. You can pause the video here and try out this side 1 exercise. For side 2, you're going to make a much more complex drawing using an entire sketchbook page. So I started out by splitting my page in half. I didn't use a perfect line, I made it a little bit jagged. And then I set up my flowers to the side, and from observation, I drew them. And as I was drawing, on one side, I chose where to keep the focus only on the negative space, and then on the other side I did full detail as I normally would draw. So you can see that transition in between. And then just like the side 1 exercise, I went in and filled in just the negative space on one side, making that part really interesting. And then I did the opposite on the other side, just to kind of really show the difference between focusing on negative space and positive space. Practicing negative space helps you become more aware of the whole composition, not just the object you're drawing. When the space around the subject is interesting, the entire drawing becomes more interesting.